Good morning, student. Today let us start with the rules of divisibility. What is meant by rules of divisibility? For example, 439 is divisible by 3 or not. For that, first of all, we have to divide the given number by 3. So we have to do the division here. After that, if the remainder is 0, that means the given number is divisible by 3. If it is not, then it is not divisible by 3. To do the division, it takes time. For that, if we know the rules of divisibility, we can find out this in very short. Divisibility of 2. See student, if any number, if it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, that number is divisible by 2. For example, 24, 786, 2040. See, 24 it ends with 4. This number is end with 6 and this number is end with 0. So, the number which ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are divisible by 2. Now the next, divisibility by 10. Any number that ends in 0 is divisible by 10. For example, 4020, 6000, 950, 1070. Now you can see here all the numbers ends in 0. So all these given numbers are divisible by 10. Next, divisibility by 5. Any number that ends in 0 or 5, that number is divisible by 5. You can see in the multiplication table of 5, all the numbers ends in 0 or 5. Now some examples. 25, it ends in 5. Then 500. After that, 2750. You can take 5-digit number also. This is also end in 5. So the given number is divisible by. Now next, divisibility by 3. If the sum of the given number is divisible by 3, that means the given number is also divisible by 3. For example, 396. First of all, we will add all the digits. 3 plus 9 plus 6. Now what will be the sum of this digit? 9 plus 6, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now this 18 is divisible by 3. So 396 is also divisible by 3. If the sum is divisible by 3, so the given number is also divisible by 3. Now the next example, 488, when we add all the digits, 8 plus 8, 16 plus 4, 20. Now 20 is not divisible by 3. So 488 is also not divisible by 3. Now the next one, divisibility by 9. In the divisibility of 9, we are also using the same rule which we use in the divisibility by 3. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, that means the given number is also divisible by 9. Let's take some example. 693, 6 plus 9 plus 3, 15, 16, 17, 18. Given number is divisible by 9. So 693 is also divisible by 9. Now let's see the divisibility by 4. If the number is divisible by last two digit is divisible by 4. For example, 3856. The last two digits are 56. Is it divisible by 4? 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 16. That means 56 is divisible by 4. So 56 is divisible by 4. So 3856 is divisible by 4. If any number, if the last two digits are divisible by 4, that means the whole given number is divisible by 4. Divisibility by 6. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3, so the given number is divisible by 6. In the divisibility of 6, first of all you have to see that the given number is divisible by 2. After that, if it is divisible by 3, then if it is divisible by 2 and 3, that means the given number is divisible by 6. For example, 198. First of all, we will see the divisible by, if it is divisible by 2. For the divisibility by 2, we have to see the number ends in even number. So here the number ends in 8. So it is divisible by 2. The next you have to see whether it is divisible by 3 or not. So for the rules of divisibility by 3, we have to add all the digits. 1 plus 9 plus 8. 8 plus 9 is 17 plus 1 is 18. Now 18 is divisible by 3. Therefore 198 is divisible by 3. Now the given number is divisible by 2 and also divisible by 3. So 198 is divisible by 6. Now let's see the solution for this example. Now you have to put the tick if the number is divisible. You have to put the cross if the number is not divisible. Now here, first of all, 99, number is 99. Whether it is divisible by 2, we know the last number should be even. Here it is odd, so it is not divisible by 2. Next by 3, 9 plus 9, 18. It is divisible by, 18 is divisible by 3. So 99 is divisible by 3. Now next by, is it divisible by 4? 99 is divisible by 4. It is not divisible by 4. If you divide it, the remainder will be there. So it is not divisible by 4. Whether it is divisible by 5, for that you have to see the last digit should be in 0 or 5. But here the last digit is 9. So it is not divisible by 5. Now next, for the divisibility by 6, you have to see the divisibility of 2 and 3. But if you see the divisibility of 2, here the last number ends in odd number. So it is not divisible by 6. Now again by 9 you have to add the digits. 9 plus 9, 18. So it is divisible by 9. Next is 10. Any number which ends in 0 is divisible by 10. Here the number ends in 9, so it is not divisible by 10. The next one is 100. The last number is 0 is divisible by 2. When we add, we get 1. It is not divisible by 3. The last two digits are 0. So it is divisible by 4. Divisibility rules of 5. It ends with 0. So it is divisible by 5. Next, divisibility by 6. Here you have to see the divisibility by 2 and 3. Here it is not divisible by 3. That means it is not divisible by 6. Now next divisibility rule by 9. We have to add all the digits. The sum will be 1. It is not divisible by 9. Divisibility by 10. The number ends in 0 is divisible by 10. Now let's see the divisibility rule in number 96 by 2. The last digit is 6. It is divisible by 2. The next is 3. 9 plus 6 is 15. It is not. It is divisible by 15 is divisible by 3. So the given number is divisible by 3. Now divisibility rule of 4. Whether the last two digit is divisible by 4. Yes, it is divisible by 4. So the 96 is divisible by 4. In the divisibility of 5, the number should be ends in 0 or 5, but it ends with 6, so it is not divisible by 5. Divisibility rule in 6, here it is divisible by 2 and 3, so the given number is divisible by 6. Now 9 plus 6 is 15, so 15 is not divisible by 9, so 96 is not divisible by 9. Now in the divisibility by 10, the given number is not ends in 0, so 96 is not divisible by 10. Now let's see for the number 450. It is divisible by 2 because it ends in 0. Next, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 0, 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so given number is divisible by 3. The last number should be divisible by 4. It is not divisible by 4, so 450 is not divisible by 4. Now, divisible by 5 or not? Yes, it is divisible by 5 because it ends in 0. Now, by divisibility by 6, it is divisible by 2 and 3. So, it is divisible by 6. 4 plus 5, 9 plus 0, 9. So, it is divisible by 9. 450 is divisible by 10 because the number ends in 0. Now, let's see. 702 is divisible by 2 or not. See, this number ends in 2 means it is divisible by 2. Whether it is divisible by 3 or not, we will add all the digits. 7 plus 0 plus 2 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So 702 is divisible by 3. Now, next, whether it is divisible by 4 or not. Last two number is 02. It is not divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5. It is not divisible by 5 because the number ends in 2. It should be ends in 0 or 5, so it is divisible by 5. Now next one, divisibility by 6. For that we have to see the divisibility by 2 and divisibility by 3. Both it is divisible by 2 and 3, so it is also divisible by 6. Now is it divisible by 9 or not? For that 7 plus 0 plus 2 is 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. So 702 is also divisible by 9. Now the given number is not divisible by 10 because it do not ends in 0. Now next one, whether 330 is divisible by 2. Yes, because it ends in 0. Next, is it divisible by 6? Let's do the addition of all the digits. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 0, 6. 6 is divisible by 3. So, 330 is divisible by 3. Now, divisibility by 4. Now, 330, last two digit is 30. Now, this 30 is not divisible by 4. So, the given number is not divisible by 4. Now, the given number is divisible by 5 because 330 ends in 0. Is it divisible by 6? Yes, because 330 is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. So, it is also divisible by 6. Now, 330, is it divisible by 9? No, because when we add all the digits, the sum of the digit is 6. So, it is not divisible by 9. Now, next, the given number is divisible by 10 because 330 ends in 0. So, it is divisible by 10. Now, 285, whether it is divisible by 2? No, it ends in 5. Whether it is divisible by 3? Now, we will do the addition of all the digits. 2 plus 8, 10 plus 5, 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So, 285 is divisible by 3. Whether it is divisible by 4, we have to see the last two digits. 85. 85 is not divisible by 4. So, 285 is not divisible by 4. Whether it is divisible by 5? Yes, because 285 ends in 5. So, it is divisible by 5. Whether it is divisible by 6? No, because it is not divisible by 2. So, it is not divisible by 6. Now, next, the given number is divisible by 9. For that, we have to add all the digits. 2 plus 8 is 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 is not divisible by 9. So, 285 is not divisible by 9. Now, this number 285 is not divisible by 10 because it do not ends in 0. Now, 1200 is divisible by 2 because it ends in 0. It is also divisible by 3 because when we add all these numbers, the sum of the digits is 9. So, 9 is divisible by the given number. So, 1200 is divisible by 3. Now, the given number is also divisible by 4. The given number is also divisible by 5 because it ends in 0. It is divisible by 6. Yes, because it is divisible by 2 and also by 3. So, it is divisible by 6. The given number is not divisible by 9. When we add, we get the sum of the digit is 3. So, it is not divisible by 9. The given number is divisible by 10 because the number ends in 0. So, it is divisible by